Factory resetting your Redmi? It wipes all data, resets settings, removes apps, and clears storage. MIUI stays. FERP or Mi lock stays login required after. Don't forget to back up and charge your phone first. 1. What necessitates a factory reset on Redmi? Software crashes, freezes, failed updates, performance, lag, battery drain, storage, full or corrupted files, security, malware or before selling, forgot password, locked out, may need Mi account, network, Wi-Fi Bluetooth issues. 2. How to do hard factory reset on Redmi via settings. Open settings on Redmi 13. Go to additional settings backup and reset factory data reset. Tap reset phone and confirm. The phone will restart and reset. 3. How do I force a reset on my Redmi via recovery mode? Power off Redmi. Hold power plus volume up 10 sec to enter recovery mode. Use volume down to select, wipe data, press power, choose, wipe all data, and confirm. Go back, select reboot, reboot to system. 4. How to factory reset a Redmi 5 grams via Google Find Hub. Log into Google Find Hub, select your Redmi, choose factory reset device and confirm. Enter Google password, click reset erase. Phone will restart and reset. 5. How to factory reset a Redmi phone permanently. No matter why you're factory resetting your Redmi, it's crucial to do it safely. Mobican Eraser for Android, Windows, and Mac offers a complete and secure wipe, making your data nearly impossible to recover even with professional tools. Step 1. Download and install the Android phone eraser on your computer. Connect your Redmi device via USB and enable USB debugging if prompted. Step 2. Launch the software and follow the on-screen instructions to detect your device. Once recognized, click Erase on the main interface. Step 3. Choose a security level, type Delete to confirm, then click Erase again. Select Low for strong recovery prevention, Medium for media files, or High for maximum protection. Step 4. The tool will begin erasing data based on your selected level. To wipe system data and settings, follow the prompts and click Continue to complete the factory reset.